know, I just can't seem to balance being a friend, a wife, an entrepreneur, and remember to change my tampon.
I used to be just like you, but then I discovered sound effect tampons.
Sound effect tampons? Tell me more.
If you're a nice gal who's on the go and you can't keep track of Colin Pro, pop in one of these when you're feeling wet. It'll make a sound so you don't forget. Sound effect tampons. They... when they're full. Sound effect tampons are customizable so you can express yourself. Whether you're turning off a lamp in a nightgown, at work crying at your standing desk, or at a bar pretending you can hear your tall male friends talk, sound effect tampons come with hundreds of fun noises to choose from. Or you can record your own.
Hey Sam, it's me, your dad, and just letting you know that your tampon's full. Why'd you make me read this? Oh Lord. Anyway, please don't flush this down the toilet. You know our pipes are bad.
What was that?
My tampon is full.
Okay.
Sound effect tampons always have you covered. Order now and you'll get the 90s Diva Cup featuring the powerhouse vocals of 90s pop star Whitney Houston.